In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front door handle on this Hyundai Sonata. This is the driver's side that has the lock cylinder in it. The procedure applies to the passenger side as well, so let's get started. Using a trim tool, let's pop off the cover that goes around the door lock cylinder. There we go. Sometimes it helps to pull out on the door handle. If you open the door on the outside, you'll see this cover. Remove this cover. And through this opening, you can use an 8mm socket, remove the bolt holding on the door lock onto the outside of the door, but you access the bolt through here. There it is. Use a magnet to fish it out so that you don't drop it inside the door. Now you can pop this out. Then you take the door handle, push it backwards, and off it comes. Clean this area off a little bit so that the new seal can seal up nicely, and of course remove the old one as well if it got stuck on here. Take the new door handle, slide it in position, push it forward, take the door lock and slide it in. Let's put this cover on now while we're at it. There we go. Get this screw reinstalled. I'm going to use my magnet to start it in and snug it up. Plug the hole back up. And there you have it. Job is done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.